Hello, everybody. My name is Claudia Viegas. I am researcher from the Federal University of Rio Grande do Sul from the Management School, and I will going to present you our newest research on reverse logistics of medicines. So in this presentation, I will try to find out if smaller municipalities can perform better than larger one in terms of collection and proper disposal of medicines. How we did it? Our research background comes from the legislation. In June 2020, the Brazilian federal government enacted a decree about the reverse logistic medicines, determining that all municipalities that have 500,000 or above number of residents and the capitals of the states plus the federal district must collect human use medicines of human use and proper dispose such medicines. However, we know that we have at least 46 municipalities in Brazil that already have local reverse logistic medicines systems that run in parallel and that enable not only the correct disposal, but the recirculation of part of the medicines that they collect. And therefore, we have two parallel medicines reverse logistics, and we decided to compare the outcomes in terms of correct destination. However, we only could access data from one municipality, which is the Farroupilha municipality that has more or less 72,000 and health residents. Our research question is, are the outcomes of the medicines reverse logistics system best in a small municipality, that is, in our case, Farroupilha, than in larger ones that are the capitals and larger municipalities, as I said, that have more than 500,000 residents? Our objective was to compare such results. We mixed qualitative and quantitative methods. We used secondary data from the solid waste management, and we gather the number of collection points, the physical amounts collected in each capital, and plus the federal district. We took out of this research the other municipalities. We focus only on the capitals and the federal district. Our questionnaire sent to the other municipalities was not answered unless by Farroupilha, as I said. So we calculated the amount, the physical amount, kilograms per capita collected in each capital and the federal district, and the number of collection points per capita. Plus, we calculated the effect size. So we divided the number of residents of each capital by the number of residents of the reference municipality. We already know that the reference municipality collected an average of 1.1 kilograms per resident during the period of 2017 to 2022. So these are our results. The first part of our results is to compare the performance of the capitals among each other. So we are now displaying the 3 best and the 3 worst results. So the best result is São Paulo. São Paulo collected 134.6 kilograms per capita. We needed to transform the data in exponential display in order to better in order to better show to the readers the results. So we need to observe that this is a transformation in this potential. So São Paulo performed the best in both cases, in number of quantities collected per capita and in number of collection point per capita. For our surprise, Curitiba capital, which ranked in the 3rd place, is not ranked in the 2nd as we expect. It is ranked in 3rd place, and it was surpassed by Aracaju, which is a Northeast capital. So we can see right here, over here, that Aracaju performed best than Curitiba in terms of number, in terms of kilograms per capita collected, and more than this, in terms of number of collection points per capita. We know that Curitiba is known in Brazil as a capital that has one of the better environmental policies, and this was a surprise in our results. According to the LogMet system that we consulted on October the 3rd, they explained us that the collection points were not installed at the same time in all capitals. So perhaps these disparities are due to the chronological difference in the installation of the points. We also can see from these results that Teresina is the worst capital in both in number of quantities collected, which are very low, and in number of per capita points of collection. And here, finally, we can have the final result, which are displayed in this column in red. Let me explain in details how we reached to these results in red. First of all, we took the number of residents of each capital, which are displayed here, and we divided this number of residents by the number of residents of the reference municipality. So we had the size effect in this column. Then we multiply the size effect by the quantity collected by the municipality of reference. And we have, therefore, these results displayed in this column. In advancement, we multiplied these results in this column by the already calculated number of quantities of collection per capita for each capital. So we performed such a multiplication, and we converted the data in grams. So our final result is that each capital, we are displaying only 10 capitals here, but we have in our paper the 20 capitals plus the federal district. So we are showing the 10 top capitals here, and what is the amount that they would need to collect, to extra collect, to perform in a proportional situation of the reference municipality. So São Paulo would need to collect 252 grams per capita to perform in a proportional situation as the reference municipality, and so on. So we can conclude from this data that the federal reverse logistic system of medicines need to be improved. And we have some explanations, some, how can I say, we have some hypotheses to explain why it happens. We suppose that in a small municipality, persons know each other and they are more collaborative. So they deliver larger amounts of medicines to reverse logistics than in the large cities. And we also conclude that the federal system is very new, so many people don't know this system, so they don't as they don't know, they don't deliver the medicines. Another explanation we have is that we lack campaigns to engage the citizen in the system of collection. So we will, in advancement in further research, we will explore the cause behind such results. We acknowledge to the Council of Research, of Support of Research, CNPq, in Brazil, that are supporting our research. And we also want to acknowledge the organizers of the International Workshop on Advances in Cleaner Production. The reference of this research are in our paper. We thank you, everybody, and we hope you enjoy the conference. Thank you and bye.